In a world that's always changing, what does true financial security really look like? Most of us think it's just about having a steady paycheck. But what if that's the biggest risk you could take? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down.
So let me ask you something, and I want you to be really honest with yourself. How stable is your financial life really? Because your answer to that question is at the very heart of everything we're about to talk about.
All right, let's just get right to it with a hard truth. For most people, their entire financial world is built on just one pillar. One job, one single paycheck. But what happens if that one pillar starts to wobble?
And here's the thing. Relying on just one salary? Yeah, it feels secure day to day. But what it's actually doing is creating a massive weak spot. A single point of failure. A layoff, a big shift in your industry, or even just a bout of bad luck, and the whole thing can come crashing down. It's a huge gamble. And the crazy part is, most people don't even realize they're making it.
But, and this is the good news, there is a much, much smarter way. Let's look at the blueprint for real stability. This is a proven strategy that financially savvy people use to protect themselves and actually build lasting wealth.
And that strategy is called income diversification. Now, this isn't just some trendy new idea. It's a fundamental principle of modern money management. It's all about intentionally designing a financial life that's stronger and more resilient.
At its core, the idea is incredibly simple. You've heard it before. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's literally it. By creating several different streams of income, you're spreading out the risk. So if one stream slows down or even stops completely, you've got others to keep you going.
Okay, so how many streams are we talking about here? What's the magic number? Well, the guiding principle, the number you really want to aim for, is at least 3. 3 separate, distinct streams of income. That's the target that gives you a real cushion against pretty much whatever life throws at you.
I know what you might be thinking. 3 income streams, that sounds like a ton of work. But I promise it's way more achievable than you think. Let's dive into some practical, real-world examples to get your own ideas flowing.
So, your main salary? That's stream number 1. Consider that your foundation. But for streams 2 and 3, start thinking about your skills, your passions. For example, freelancing could be as simple as taking a skill you already use at your day job, like writing or video editing, and offering it to clients online. A side hustle could be turning a hobby you love into a small business. And hey, don't forget about passive streams, like investing, where you make your money work for you. The whole point is to mix and match to build a portfolio that's uniquely yours.
Now, is building these streams going to take some effort? Yeah, for sure. But the payoff, it is absolutely huge, and it goes way beyond just the money. Let's zoom out and look at the incredible long-term benefits of doing this. I mean, just look at the contrast here. It's totally night and day. On one side, you've got this high-risk, vulnerable world of a single income. And on the other, you've got resilience, new opportunities to build real wealth, and genuine long-term stability. This shows you why this isn't just about making more money. It's about creating security and seriously cutting down on that financial anxiety.
So you can really think of this as a journey in 3 clear steps. First, you dramatically lower your financial risk. Second, you open up a whole new world of opportunities that you probably couldn't have even considered before. And third, you lay the foundation for lasting financial stability and, ultimately, freedom.
Okay, so we've covered the why and the how, but honestly, none of that matters without action. So the real question is, what's your first step going to be?
And if there's one thing you take away from this, let it be this. Learning to create multiple income streams is not just a tactic. It is one of the most vital financial skills you could ever develop for your future. It completely changes your relationship with money and your sense of security.
So, the question really isn't if you should do this, but how you're going to start. So take a look at the options, think about what you're good at, what you enjoy. Which new income stream will you explore first?